Good morning, children of K-Tech High School and Junior College. Children, today I am going to give you some importance on Republic Day. Normally, what do you know about Republic Day? We have a holiday, yes? But do you know there is many significance attached to it. So let's get started, children. Republic Day we celebrate on 26 January. So the first thing we will know about is what is Republic Day, why it is celebrated, how it is celebrated, and its significance, that is importance. Now what do you see in this picture? Boys with Tiranga, tricolor flag. Republic Day is the most important festival to celebrate in free India. Now, what is Republic Day? Republic Day honors the date on which Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935. That is when the Britishers ruled as the governing document of India. A republic is a state which highest power is held by people and their elected government. That is, a republic government is a government which is rule of the people, for the people, and by the people. Why it is celebrated? Why do we celebrate this festival, or why it is so important for us? It is said to be a national festival. It is a day to remember when India's constitution came into force on January 26, 1950, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. We were ruled by the Britishers, and on this day, we wrote our own constitution, means we went into the transition period, that is from slavery to independence, republic. On this day, ceremonials, parades take place at Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. How it is celebrated? The main Republic Day celebrated is held at a national capital, New Delhi, at Rajpath before the President of India. People throughout the India celebrate Nation's Republic Day, which is gadgeted government holiday, on January 26 each year. This parade showcases India's defense capability and its cultural heritage. Bravery awards are given to the deserved citizen of India. Governors in their respective states hoist in Indian flag even in school, colleges and universities. People hoist the flag, salute and show respect to our nation. Now see, you can see first it is salute. We salute, or there is a salutation program done at Rajghat where we pay a tribute to Amar Jawans, the people who laid down their lives for the freedom. And then there is a parade which shows that how strong our defense system is. See? Then hoisting of a flag by President of India. Isn't it beautiful? Purna Swaraj. This displays that we are independent. And who drafted this constitution, children? Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And this constitution was signed and came into enforce on 26 January 1950. It was signed by our renowned ministers. Now, why it is important, children? Let's read. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates coming into force of its constitution. Means when we follow the constitution, that is a book in which there are certain rights and responsibilities and duties mentioned about a free Indian citizen. After independence also, India functioned under a law implemented by British. On this day only we experience true freedom from British rule. Now children, here it is what? We obtained independence in 1947. But 1947 to 1950 we followed the British laws. After it was drafted, our constitution was drafted in by Dr. Ambedkar, we experienced the real freedom and we started following those laws. So in the true sense, we became independent on 26 January 1950. Children, wishing you a very happy Republic.